Hello, my name is Meagan Mason, Career Consultant, Assistant Director in the UAB Career Center. Today we are going to discuss the introduction to the UAB Career Center. From this workshop, you will understand how the UAB Career Center can help you step into your future. You will identify career services and resources to support your career success. Also identify the your specialized career consultant and activate your handshake page. I want you to take some time and think about, as a kid, what did you want to be growing up? So what was it that you wanted to be when you grew up? According to the New American Education Policy Survey, there are certain reasons why students decided to go to school or to go to college. You'll see here that the top reason was to improve their employment opportunities. So a lot of them go back to school, maybe to get a promotion in their current career. Or you'll see where they decided to make more money. Once again, that goes along with the promotion or advancing within their company. You'll also see that 89% said that they wanted to get a good job. So a lot of you may be thinking, I'm in school right now because I want to have a successful career. Some may say that they want to learn about their favorite topic or area of interest. And you have a few that said that they wanted to become a better person. So no matter what it is or why you decided to come to college, I want to make sure that I assist you in your career trajectory. Let's think about what employers are looking for and why career preparation is important. When you think about nursing and education, those are careers that equals or majors that equals careers. The vast majority of majors at UAB can open up a multitude of career opportunities. So if you take a look at these competencies, you'll see what employers thought were highly ranked when thinking about occupations and careers. So we see that critical thinking and problem solving weighed the most in competencies when considered by employers. Professionalism and work ethics, 4.56, as well as oral and written communication, 4.43. If you look, you'll see other things like teamwork, collaboration, leadership, information technology application, career management, global fluency. Those things are very important to employers. Now let's talk a little bit about the first destination survey. If you look at this survey, we've highlighted the top destination for recent graduates. As you know, 74% of students are staying in Alabama. 6% are going to Georgia. You'll see 3% in Florida, 16% states outside of Alabama, and then 1% international. You'll also be able to see the salary range for our students here: bachelor's level, master's, as well as PhD students. And remember that we need help telling your story. So when you graduate, you may be asked to complete a first destination survey. Please make sure that you are completing that survey to help us better serve you. 88% stated that they were employed, continued their education, or not seeking employment at all. The UAB Career Center also have what we call peer career advisors. There are several things that they can help you with: resume and CV, interview preparation, job search strategies for those that say, I'm not really sure how to navigate searching for job opportunities, career exploration for those that say, I want to explore other careers, network strategies, which is very important when you're trying to get into your career, professional branding, as well as workshops. There are several things that we can assist you with, and all of these things are virtual. So we have virtual appointments, which you can schedule an appointment at uab.edu uab.joinhandshake.com. We also have virtual job search strategies and tips, virtual interviewing, which you can do on Interview Stream, or schedule a one-on-one appointment to meet with your career consultant for interviewing assistant, digital shadowing, and upskilling. These things can also help you as you transition from college to career. So, how do you prepare for your appointment? Prepare any questions that you may have. Be ready to discuss current and major career statuses as well as your thoughts and feelings. Be prepared. So bring your resume or any materials that you may need when going over your career goals. Also, before the appointment, you want to make sure that you're present. You want to make sure that you are in the room, that you're listening, and that you give feedback, but also answer questions in order to better serve you. Be open and be honest so that your career consultant can assist you. Bring a notebook or your computer to take notes. Be on time for your appointment. Also, schedule a follow-up appointment if needed. And during the appointment, be sure to ask any questions that you may have. You do not need an appointment to meet with your peer career advisor. They are available Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. You can reach them via Zoom using the link that is found on our Career Center website. In the UAB Career Center, we also have an employer engagement team. There are so many things that they can help you with. They can help with virtual career fairs, virtual career events, virtual interview events, employer advisory board, which gives feedback on how we're doing in our UAB Career Center, as well as regional and national employers. So thinking about those Fortune 500 companies. Also, make sure you're checking out the UAB Career Center Canvas course. In this course, you can maximize your career readiness. Modules include Intro to the Career Center, Self and Career Explorations, Gaining Experience, Resume Building, Interview Preparation, Career Launch, and it's usually about 10 to 20 minutes. So it does not take all day to complete these modules. These courses are self-directed. There's also a badging. So once you complete the modules, you'll get a badge. They're accessible 24/7, and after you're done, you're welcome to schedule an appointment to meet with your career consultant to see your progress and your achievements. The Career Center also houses the UAB Career Closet, where you can rent professional clothing for absolutely free. You can also schedule these appointments through the UAB.joinhandshake website. Speaking of Handshake, there's so many things that you can do in Handshake. Remember to check out the Handshake library, resource library, where you'll find Focus to Career, Candid Career, Interview Stream, What Can I Do with This Major, BuzzFile, ONET. Also review workshops and PowerPoints, cover letters, and resume samples. You can also schedule your appointment through Handshake, search for career events, resources, identify the student peer community where you're able to send messages to other peers on campus and off campus, employer engagement, and you can search for jobs, full-time, part-time, volunteer, as well as work-study positions. You want to make sure that you have a complete Handshake page. You are 80% more likely to be contacted by an employer with a completed Handshake page. So you'll go in, upload your resume, add your experiences and activities, add your education, as well as your professional profile and a professional photo, and update your interests and skills. You can contact the UAB Career Center by calling at 205-934-4324 or visiting our office, which is located in the Hill Student Center, 307, or going to our website or online. Thank you so much,